Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I think it's Wednesday. No, I know it's Wednesday. It's going to be a wacky Wednesday, mostly because of the weather. Here in Sutter County, California, uh, I think fall has arrived. It's been raining kind of on and off, more drizzling and light rain. Yeah. So tonight's meal is going to be very appropriate, but I'll get to that in a moment. Last night, the culinary expedition was in Armenia. I'm going to attempt the name of this dish once more, Lahmajoun, which basically means Armenian pizza. I looked at several recipes for this just to kind of get a gist. It's like an American pizza. You can kind of do whatever you want with it. I kind of stuck with a very basic recipe because the base is basically the same. It's good. I took the shortcut version of this because that was my original recipe, using flour tortillas instead of their flatbread, because you know me and baking. Even though I'm wearing the shirt that says baking is science, yeah, I didn't do really good in school in science. I enjoyed it, but I didn't do well in it. It was good. Have fun with this. The recipe will definitely be posted up. I've had a couple people very interested in this. So I look forward to having you guys try it and report back to the group. So have fun with it. Tonight, like I mentioned, I'm going to be preparing sweet potato lentil soup. Yep, another soup. When you're on a very tight budget, soups are a good thing. But this has plenty of fresh goodies in it. I love soups that have just a lot of fresh vegetables and so forth. And I got to go visit my friends at LA Merchandise last week to pick up the red lentils. So yeah. So let's get to it. So here's the lentils I picked up from LA Merchandise, also known as Masoor Dal. This is 2 pounds, actually $3. That's really cheap. All right, so I got sweet potato. You gotta have sweet potato to go with the lentils for the soup. Olive oil, onion, carrot, tomato, spinach, parsley, good old bay leaf, kosher salt, black pepper, and I'm trying Winco's veggie broth for the first time. It's actually very, very reasonably priced. Smoked paprika, dried oregano, and you gotta have the garlic. So as you can see, pretty hearty soup for something that doesn't have a meat protein. I'm looking forward to this one. I saw this one, a few weeks ago. I always have recipes on standby and waiting in the wings to be used. This one's been in the wings for about 2 to 3 weeks. So yeah, gotta love this weather. I know Fizzy, my calico, she has been in the windows more and more and more because the rain's not heavy enough to actually come into the house through the windows. But she's loving the news in the backyard and the front yard. Yeah, she's loving it. So on this wacky Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.